We're going to show you a tutorial how to make this tree. This tree's been featured in a few of our Halloween videos that we featured this month with the Spooky VIP add-on pack here in the back. We've done a few builds which we've featured in other videos. You can see those and how to put those together, but today we're going to focus specifically on this tree. This tree's pieces come from the Stranger Things set, the Upside Down house. So we got this for $50 off of eBay. There was a catch, which we have a video linked in the description if you want to see the catch on that. But yeah, we're going to show you exactly how to build this tree. The tree does turn, as you can see here. It's a little brittle, which I think most of them are, but we'll show you how to build that now, piece by piece. Here are all the pieces that were used in the tree build. They are not all together as normally they would be, but more in order of where to start to put the tree together, then down, then ending with these pieces over here. So just to give you an idea, we'll go ahead and kick this off now. So here's the final product. As you can see, I don't think it came out exactly as it initially was, but looks very close. And you can take it and put it on any piece that you want. Just gives you an idea of type of tree that you could build. But now that it's on this swivel piece, you can kind of turn it into any position that you want. So here that is on the final scene, and it is on the turning piece, so we recommend taking a piece and putting it at a diagonal, kind of like this. As you can see, it looks a little bit better art always looks better at a diagonal versus straight on, and just to illustrate that, here it is, just kind of straight on sideways. Doesn't look bad, but as you can see, it looks a lot better. If you can turn it at an angle, also front on, similar effect, not as great. Everything looks very boxy. So if you can turn it at a diagonal, it's going to make it look like it pops a lot more. Pieces are hanging down. We need your help with subscriptions, so please subscribe. We appreciate it. We're on our quest to 1,000 still. We made it past 500 today, so appreciate everyone who subscribed so far. And we look forward to seeing you in the next Halloween video. See everyone. Bye.